On this episode of the Max Minute, I'd like to talk about WLL. What's that, you may ask? Working load limit. All of our tags on our tie-down assemblies have this warning label, and at the bottom of the warning label, you'll see this in orange, WLL. In this case, we're looking at a 10,000 pound rated assembly. Therefore, the WLL, or working load limit, is 1/3 of 10,000 pounds, therefore 3,333 pounds. That's a really important thing to note because we're not talking about the static weight of the cargo, we're talking about the dynamic forces that can be applied, say, in going from 60 miles an hour to 0. As a general rule of thumb, you want the assembly rating to be roughly 3 times the vehicle's static weight. Therefore, 3,000 pound car, you really ought to have at least a 9,000 pound assembly times 4 to properly restrain that vehicle.